How to care for scalp dermatitis. Do you have scalp dermatitis? Most people refer to this condition as dandruff, so you may know it better by that term. Whatever you want to call it, this condition can be painful, embarrassing, and even dangerous. Severe cases of scalp dermatitis can lead to hair loss and permanent scarring. If a person gives in to the itchiness and scratches constantly, this can lead to open sores on the head, which makes the skin more prone to infections. And of course, the flaking can be embarrassing to anyone. And yet many people have dandruff, whether they want to admit it or not. So how can you care for and cure scalp dermatitis? Let's take a look at this subject here. Keep in mind that some people are just more prone to dry skin than others. While dandruff or scalp dermatitis is often seen as some type of problem with hygiene, this isn't always the case, no more so than having dry skin on the elbows and feet are the fault of poor hygiene. Dry skin can also be the result of skin irritation, which means that cleaning the scalp and washing the hair too much can actually cause the problem. So rather than thinking that scalp dermatitis is because of not taking care of oneself properly, consider the actual causes and treatment options. Is this video being helpful? Then hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Dry skin can be caused by many different factors. As we've said, genetics often play a part in this. However, being exposed to dry air such as in winter months can also cause skin irritation. Chemicals, pollutants, dust, vapors, and irritants such as these can also cause the skin to become dry. These elements settle on the skin's surface and strip it of its protective oils, resulting in dry skin. For some, this might mean scalp dermatitis. Products such as caps and hats made from irritating materials can also cause the skin to become irritated and result in dryness and flaking. Using a shampoo made for dandruff can help, but sometimes these are very strong and just irritate the skin even further. Usually a mild shampoo that is watered down is just as good for scalp dermatitis. A moisturizing shampoo can also help since the skin can absorb this moisture. It's also important to use tepid or cool water when washing the hair, since hot water typically irritates the skin. Adding a moisturizer to the skin when you have scalp dermatitis is also important, as this helps to keep it soft and free of flaking. If you're concerned about the appearance of putting a moisturizer on your scalp, try doing so at night before you go to bed. Put a knit cap over it so it doesn't spread to your linens, and in the morning you can wash your hair so you look appropriate. Try these tips and tricks when you experience scalp dermatitis and see if they don't work in your case. You might be pleasantly surprised at the results. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.